coffee? No.
How has your journey been?
It's first class.
I was playing badminton with my friend. One of my friends just came in and asked me to, apply to this company named Syntexa. That was the first time. People are fun, team is great, have good events.
Suddenly HR ने बोला कि the CEO wants to meet to you. मैं एक बार के लिए बहुत डर गया था, excited भी था, but then it was a bittersweet, not bittersweet, but like conflicting moment.
हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ तो कम्युनिकेशन भी इतना बेस्ट नहीं था. कुछ भी ऐसा चैलेंजेस फेस होता है तो मैं डायरेक्ट जाकर सर ये नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से, कैसे होगा.
That's why my journey with Syntexa, we matched like a vibe there.
Hello Anjali.
Hi Priyanshi.
How have you been?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, ma'am. I want to start by asking, how has your journey been?
It's first class. It's fantastic.
मैम आपने बहुत सारे डाइवर्स रोल्स में काम किया है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जब आप इतने सारे चैलेंजिंग रोल्स फेस कर रहे थे तो आपको कभी नहीं लगा कि हो गया यार बस अब नहीं?
Okay, so let's start with my journey. So I worked, around 3 or 4 roles where I started with QA lead, then I moved to consultant, then project manager. Now currently I'm working as Salesforce practice lead. But then if I look back my journey, I worked on different roles. So I worked with different kind of teams as well, different kinds of, people as well under my team. So sometimes I'm aligning them to some new projects. I'm help them in working in their scenarios. And sometimes they came up with me, this is the kind of scenarios we are stuck. And that time also, I need to think, yes, this is correct. And I've never faced this. So what should I do there? So ऐसा हुआ है कि मुझे कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है कि I am eager to learn new things, but sometimes ऐसा भी होता है ना कि नहीं अब this is done for me now, अब हो गया, इसके आगे और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But that only time I got to know that yes, अभी बहुत कुछ है मेरे लिए. So it was much like a scenarios where I got help from different people as well. मुझे leadership से भी बहुत help मिली है. VJs helped me very much in my whole journey. And side by side, my team also helped me. So that's why my journey with Syntexa, we matched like a vibe there.
All right. So if you completely in retrospect look at your journey, what is that one thing, one value of Syntexa helped you throughout your journey and it's still there with you?
So if I say the core value that Syntexa and I matched with it, that is the willingness totally.
All right.
Yeah.
It was great having you. Hi Ratan.
Hi Priyanshi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All well. So I want to start by knowing your journey at Syntexa. How was it like?
So it was a random Monday. I was playing badminton with my friends and one of my friends just came in and asked me to, apply to this company named Syntexa. That was the first time I heard Syntexa's name.
So were you new to Salesforce?
Yeah. So before Syntexa, I didn't knew anything about Salesforce and I didn't even knew that if Salesforce exists or what is Salesforce and everything. Syntexa introduced me to Salesforce. Syntexa guided me, trained me in Salesforce, provided me opportunities. So Syntexa really helped me about the Salesforce and learning about it.
Changed your life completely.
Yeah, exactly.
So starting from somebody who did not know much about Salesforce to actually leading and solving some very technical problems in the projects Syntexa heads, आपको लगता है कि आप ही को मिली वो opportunities?
No, I believe the opportunity is for everyone. It's about how willingly you are able to sacrifice other things and you want to move ahead with this career and everything. So everything has a cost, right? So you need to do some sacrifices. I've sacrificed my sleep. I've worked days and nights to develop my technical skills to have a better understanding of that industry and how things work and everything. There are sometimes that people think that 90% of their body and brain are saying that take a step back. It's too much for you, you won't be able to handle it. That is the time when you should just jump in and do whatever it takes to.
But what made you stay with Syntexa?
I believe everyone has their own path to walk on. So my path completely aligns with Syntexa. They're providing me opportunities, they're acknowledging my work. I believe if you are getting challenges, guidance to overcome those challenges and you are feeling like you are growing continuously, then I don't think there is any other reason to move separate ways.
One Syntexa core value that has stayed with you.
It's not one, there are multiple so togetherness, the growth, the challenges, continuous challenges, and many more there are. I cannot describe them all.
All right. Hi, Chakshu.
Hi Priyanji.
So I'm very curious about your role. So could you please enlighten us with what all you do and
So I think when I first came here, I came to apply for the role of business analyst. मैंने वो पूरा 1 day process दिया, पर उसके बाद मुझे सडनली HR ने बोला कि द CEO वांट्स टू मीट यू. मैं एक बार के लिए बहुत डर गया था, एक्साइटेड भी था, बट देन इट वाज अ बिटर स्वीट, नॉट बिटर स्वीट बट लाइक कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग मोमेंट. फिर मैं आया, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ग्रोथ स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट का एक रोल है, कीपिंग इन माइंड माई बैकग्राउंड एंड माई प्रायर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इन एजुकेशन.
so like आपको पता था कि ग्रोथ स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट का काम क्या होता है?
एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. आई थिंक मुझे भी ये कम्युनिकेट किया गया था कि हमें भी नहीं पता क्या होता है. हम बस 2 वर्ड्स को जोड़ के एक पोजीशन बनाई है, ग्रोथ और स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट. सिंटेक्स को ग्रो करने के लिए वी हैव टू क्रिएट स्ट्रैटेजीज, एंड व्हाट दो स्ट्रैटेजीज वुड बी, व्हाट ऑल the job responsibilities would be. I was very clearly told that only I have to identify and come up with ways of fulfilling this role.
Many people have given this curveball today. They would be like, oh my god, they've taken a back and they're already like, bye bye, I'm done. So like, why did you take that challenge?
So like I said, I came here for the role of business analyst, and then suddenly growth strategist offer हुआ था, and then over the course of my last 4 years, now I'm handling more of the sales side of things now that I'm an account director. तो वो अपने आप में एक मेरे लिए भी path था from uncertain times to a lot of clarity. तो I think it got a structure within itself जहाँ पे मैं नया काम भी कर रहा था, and I got some more clarity as well.
This is a very new, different category of work that you're doing, and every day you have to explore what you have to do, and then how you have to strategize things for other people. And it might have also got overwhelmed with time, and then creating a team, and you must have felt that maybe let's call it quits.
I'll answer in 2 parts. Call it quits? No, not really. कभी ऐसा moment आया नहीं, as I wouldn't be here today. तो कभी वो moment नहीं आया कि I can't do this, but हाँ, it was very uncertain a lot of times. But I think uncertainty was part of the process. It was told to me very clearly at the start of the job as well कि this will be full of uncertainty.
Do you think any values of Syntexa you think resonate the best with your journey?
I think एक value जो fun की है, I think in my interview as well, I can't work in a boring environment. I need like a chill, laid back environment, while obviously keeping the work seriously. So I think fun is something I have with everybody in my team, be it somebody who's senior to me, be it somebody who's junior to me. I can have a ball time with anybody, right? So that's the very core, value of Syntexa I really imbibe.
It's non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable for me.
Hello Manish sir.
हाय फ्रेंडशिप.
So सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए.
मैंने एज ए ट्रेनिंग ज्वाइन किया था सिंटेक्सा 2021 दिसंबर. उस टाइम पे मतलब मेरे को ये था कि कैसे कंप्लीट होगा, हाउ आई विल बी सर्वाइव इन दिस IT टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ऑल. और सिंटेक्सा का जब ज्वाइन किया उसके बाद ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट लगा कि ठीक है अपन कर सकते हैं, और सारे रिसोर्सेज अपने को मिलते थे. फिर अपन धीरे धीरे पढ़ते गए, डेवलपर से सीनियर डेवलपर, लीड, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग एज ए टेक्निकल आर्किटेक्ट.
So मतलब आपको टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में तो शायद पता ही होगा, लेकिन सेल्स फोर्स एज अ टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में जब आपको बताया गया कि आपको ये लर्न करना है, तो वो आपके लिए शॉकर था.
तो जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो उस टाइम सेल्सफोर्स कम्प्लीटली न्यू था मेरे लिए. कैसे चलता है, क्या होता है, आई डोंट नो अवेयर अबाउट दैट.
बहुत लोग हैं जो एग्जिट स्टोरी बन चुके हैं, अब हमारे साथ नहीं है, लेकिन आपको क्यों लगा कि आप रुके सिंटेक्सा के अंदर?
इसका मतलब मेन जो आंसर होगा मेरा वो यही होगा कि सिंटेक्सा प्रोवाइड अस लर्निंग, ग्रोथ एंड न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. जैसे मैंने ज्वाइन किया था उस टाइम पे मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ, तो कम्युनिकेशन भी इतना बेस्ट नहीं था. ये मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब थी, तो उस वजह से मेरा कम्युनिकेशन, जब मैं क्लाइंट फेस पे गया तो मेरा धीरे धीरे बढ़िया हुआ. मेरे मैनेजर्स ने मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया कि आप क्लाइंट कॉल पे जाओ डायरेक्ट.
आपको लगता तो होगा कभी कभी कि बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो रहा है, कभी आपको लगा कि क्विट कर दो यार, नहीं समझ में आ रहा?
होता है, बहुत टाइम होता है कि एसेंट समझ भी नहीं आता है, क्योंकि इंडियंस का एसेंट अलग होता है, फॉरेनर्स का एसेंट बिल्कुल अलग होता है इंग्लिश.
सर आपकी जर्नी इतनी इंस्पायरिंग रही है, उसके बावजूद भी ऐसा होता है, बहुत लोग समझते हैं कि हमें हेजिटेशन हो रही है यार किसी सीनियर पर्सन से बात करने में.
अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिंटेक्सा एनवायरनमेंट कि कुछ भी चैलेंज आया तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ठीक है मेरे को खुद को ही करना है. काफ़ी सारे सीनियर्स हैं, लीड्स हैं, जैसे जागृत सर एंड विजय सर. जो जागृत सर डिलीवरी मैनेजर, विजय सर CTO है अभी करंटली सिंटेक्सा. कुछ भी ऐसा चैलेंजेस फेस होता है तो मैं डायरेक्ट जागृत सर ये नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से, कैसे होगा, विजय सर ये नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे होगा. सो दीज पर्सन आर ऑलवेज रेडी to help all of them.
Everybody is welcome.
Yeah.
So, ऐसी कौन सी कोर वैल्यू लगती है आपको सिंटेक्सा की जो आपकी जर्नी के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा रेजोनेट करती है?
सबसे ज़्यादा रेजोनेट करने वाली कोर वैल्यू लाइक मल्टीपल अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड बाय सिंटेक्सा टू मी. फॉर दैट रीजन इट इज़ अ गुड पार्ट ऑफ माय जर्नी इन सिंटेक्सा.
Alright. Hi Priyanshu.
Hi Priyanshi,
How are you?
I'm doing great.
So let me start by asking you a little about your journey at Sintexa, the early days.
So yeah, I still remember in the early days. Now we have moved to bigger offices, but we started with a very small space in a basement. It was a very fun environment. We used to like turn on the speaker at night when we were working, and used to have a lot of fun over there. So that memory is still there. But we started with training at 7 a.m. when there was a training period. So we started training at 7 a.m. We used to work till 6 a.m. So there was a lot of hustle during the training period. We get eventually assigned to certain projects. Learned a lot from those particular projects. Handling the clients, definitely that was something that your technical knowledge cannot tackle. The people skills.
Were you new to Salesforce or did you know about it a bit?
Yes, so I was totally new to Salesforce. I started learning about Salesforce. I already knew Tracer, so I watched a bit of videos from his channel and got to know about Salesforce, and I felt like it was a good opportunity in Salesforce in future.
So did you ever feel at a point that everything is becoming overwhelming? And if so, did you have a conversation or what did you do about it to get over it?
Trained on basic Salesforce, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, but learning new clouds was definitely a challenge when you don't have a certain people to guide you on that. Definitely Vijay sir and everyone was there, but it was something new for everyone. Definitely people around you, when you can leverage your tasks and whatever challenges you're having, they're there to support you. It helps a lot.
You said that you were not just working on Salesforce. There were a lot of different things you were working on simultaneously. So why didn't you become an exit story?
From the start, I had that feeling I want to learn new things. If I didn't get those opportunities, I would definitely would have gone somewhere else. But here, I never felt like that. I stopped learning things. I didn't feel monotonous. There were days, definitely. But every time that thought came in my mind, okay, that like maybe I need to try something new, or something new came to my way. So yes, that's why I'm still here. And
Need 3 words you would use to describe Sintexa's culture.
so definitely people are fun. People, I really enjoy talking to people. My team is great. So that's why, that's one of the reasons. We have good events over here. I enjoy going to the Dandiya night, the CAD, I think it's coming up. So it's always fun.
Alright, thank you Priyanshu. As this series comes to a close, it's important to take a moment and pause, because the Why I Stayed series isn't just about individual journeys. It's also a reflection of Sintexa's 8 years. Years not just built on systems, but on people. People who trust, people who keep showing up for one another. So, this is a quiet thank you to the people who made it possible through these 8 years, and to the ones who continue to shape what Sintexa stands for today. Because Sintexa isn't just a company, Sintexa is its people. And this was our Why I Stayed series. Bye!